Are you looking to start your own ATM business? Have you been wondering how to get started with less than $1,000? Look no further. Starting an ATM business is easier than you might think. The first step is to find a reliable ATM supplier. Many suppliers offer no money down options, so you can get started without having to put down a large sum of money. You should look for a reputable supplier who has been in the industry for at least 10 years and offers a variety of ATMs and services. Once you have chosen your supplier, the next step is to determine where the ATM will be located. You can install your ATM in any public place such as convenience stores, retail stores, nightclubs, entertainment venues, airports or government buildings. The best locations are those that have high customer traffic and are equipped with sufficient security measures. You will also need to set up an agreement with the owner of the location and pay them a fee in exchange for hosting your machine on their property. Make sure both parties understand all terms and conditions before signing any contracts. Next, decide on which type of ATM machine you want to install at the location. There are many different models available, ranging from basic cash machines to advanced machines that accept credit cards. Consider factors like cost and size when making your decision. A larger machine may cost more, but it could be more profitable due to its increased capacity for transactions. After choosing your machine, arrange delivery and installation with your supplier or hire professionals if necessary. Professional installation is often recommended since it ensures that everything is properly connected and calibrated so that customers won't experience any difficulties while using the machine. Now it's time to purchase supplies such as cash cassettes, receipt paper rolls or thermal printer ribbons that will keep your business running smoothly. Make sure these supplies come from reliable sources so that there won't be any issues with counterfeit currency or other problems associated with using outdated supplies. Finally, secure permission from local authorities regarding signage and advertisement rules within the area where you plan to install your machines. Depending on local laws, you may need licenses or permits before advertising or operating any type of business venture in certain areas. Make sure to do research beforehand. Once all of this is taken care of, it's time for setting prices for withdrawals, deposits, and selecting banking partners if applicable. Many banks will partner up with small businesses. It's important that you stay competitive when deciding on prices, since this could greatly influence people's decisions about whether or not they use your service. Also remember that there may be fees associated with different types of transactions which could reduce profits if left unchecked. Always keep an eye out for hidden expenses during setup. With all these steps complete, congratulations! You are now ready to launch. Although starting an ATM business requires some upfront costs, such as purchasing machines, it can be extremely lucrative if done correctly due to its potential customer base and repeatability factor. People visit ATMs multiple times per month. With careful planning and preparation along every step of the way, you can be successful in creating a profitable business without breaking the bank.